Hello everybody, Mile Airport Nation here, and it is that time of the month again. We have a new release here from Tiny Tug Designs here. This time, this one is very special. Probably one of the most incredibly cool release designs ever. Let's just get right into it. So as you guys can see here, we finally have A380 1 to 400 scale food trucks here. Yes, you guys heard me correctly. A380 1 to 400 scale food trucks. Tiny Tugs Designs, guys. And yes, you can put your own custom stickers on the sides. I eventually will once I find someone who makes them. And yeah, so if you guys know anybody cool that makes custom designs like that, put them down in the bio here. Tiny Tug Designs, guys. Also, we have, I believe these are the fuel trucks. Yeah, these are the fuel trucks here. We also have water and lav trucks too. Quote me if I'm wrong. These might be the water and lav trucks. I don't know, guys. They all look the same these days. Different A380 food trucks too. We have them in various positions too, servicing each levels of the A380. I went hard and I got like a bunch of different packs. Now each kit comes with a certain amount. So like I think like these and these are like one kit right here, because you get a couple of the high level ones too in the kit that you pay for. I think these are like 20 bucks a kit, so they weren't too bad compared to, like, you know, if you collect 1 to 400 scale in the world that we live in today, guys, you know that's not too bad of a price. All right, this looks like a whole bunch of hoopla here. Hold on, guys. Okay, let's get them out of the packages. Let's get them on my demonstrated A380 Asiana here. So 1 second, guys, let's get them going. Now here's a nice look at the Tiny Tugs A380 catering trucks in all three walks of life here. Check it out, looks like it's climbing up. Super cool here, guys. And yes, these match your A380 perfectly. Check this out. Guys, I've been waiting forever for this because AIRPORT has like 1 to 500 scale ones. But you know what, guys? We finally have them. Check it out. You can add as much detail as you want, like I said. Now this might be a little overkill on the food trucks on the A380, but this is for demonstration purposes. As you guys can see, I might still go a little overkill with it, but all Tiny Tugs GSE here, guys. Check it out. So some Jet Set Models cones here. And ground crew workers. Clipper Models jet bridges and Tarmac Designs terminal and No Point Airport Los Angeles T-bit layout. But the star of the show today is Tiny Tug Designs, guys. Check this out. Super cool. I'm going to put some little characters on there too. And here are some workers here doing some amazing catering on the Asiana A380 here, guys. Check this out. This is something I didn't think I'd ever have for a very long time, so this definitely does go a long way, guys. And here we have one of the lav trucks in action here. Like I said, I don't know if it's a field truck or a lav truck, but there it is in action anyways. Check these guys out. These are on Tiny Tugs' eBay profile and Tiny Tugs on Instagram, guys. They are going to be releasing a website in the future, so stay tuned for that. And you know for sure I will link that below when that does release, guys. But check these out. Lots of detail on these guys. Highly, highly, highly recommend Tiny Tugs for your model airport GSE. They do an amazing job, guys. Sorry, guys, it's been a long day. But just super cool, guys. I'm just blown away, to be honest with you. Check out Tiny Tug Designs, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. I'm planning on setting the whole T-bit up here, guys, so stay tuned. We're going to have A380s going with all these getting catered. It's going to be the craziest thing yet, guys. And yes, I did purchase these with my own money. So this is not really sponsored, but these guys just do an amazing job, so I'm just really happy. Yeah, best GSE maker out there right now. I'll tell you that right now, hands down. Especially for the catering trucks here. Check these out. You can't beat this right now, guys. Check it out. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Model Airport Nation to you guys. Happy collecting. Stay tuned for more LAX updates.